Hello, positive thinkers and creative minds. It is your girl, Coach ReRe, and I am truly blessed to see another year, the beginning of a new decade. And I want to sing for you. God has smiled on me, and He has been good to me. God has smiled on me. He has set me free. Oh, God has, He smiled on me, and He's been good to me. If you know it, sing it. God has smiled on me. He has set me free. Oh, God has, He smiled on me, and He's been good to me. I'ma keep it right there. He's been good. Yes, He's been good. Oh yeah, He's been good. Yes, He's been good. Food on my table, He's been good. Shelter over my head, been good. Lord, You able, He's been good. I'm a living witness, yes. I was so down, He's been good. Couldn't tell my night from day, been good. The Lord, He made a way, and I got to give Him praise, Lord. Oh, 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 You been good, Lord. You been good. Oh, Lord, You been good to me, to little old me. Yes, been good. Yes, You have been good. Yes, You have been good. You've been good to me. God has truly been good to me. I'm reminded of Psalms 23, King James Version. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for His name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of a shadow of death, I shall fear no evil, for Thou art with me. Thy rod and Thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemy. Thou anointed my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Oh, Heavenly Father, I would like to thank You for allowing me to see another year, Lord. Thank You for allowing me to see another year in the beginning of a new decade. I ask You, Lord, to continue to guide me. Look over those that are in need of prayer, Father. Give them the mind to want to turn to You, Father, for Your guidance, for Your mercy, for Your grace. In all these blessings, we ask in Thy Son, Jesus' name. Amen. And until next time, stay positive, move forward, plan to win, and win.